Please start.
Good morning, everyone. In today's online lesson, we are going to celebrate Bagless Day celebration. Bagless Day means no bags and no books for today's class. Just going to use your creativity and imagination for today's class. Let's get started.
That's right. Today is all about thinking outside the box. Are you ready for an exciting day?
This is amazing. I think I will remember more if we are just talking and doing activities.
I'm curious to see how creative we can be today. Let's make the most of it.
Bagless Day sounds amazing. I can't wait to see what activities we are doing.
I This is so much fun. It's my first time I'm having this kind of class.
I'm ready for a unique and exciting day. Let's go.
Let's start with the memory game. I will describe something and you will have to guess what it is. Ready?
Ready, teacher? Bring it on.
Here is the first clue. It is a shape with four equal sides and four right angles.
A square?
Correct, Marjan. Well done.
Can I try the next one? Just give me some.
Now let's try something new. Now students, you are going to turn into teachers and teachers are going to be students. Students can teach what they know and we teachers are going to take notes and listen to yours.